Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. A thick rope of length L is hanging from a rigid support. A transverse wave of wavelength lambda naught is set up in the middle of the rope. The wavelength of the wave as it reaches the topmost point is option A, lambda naught, option B, lambda naught by root 2, option C, 2 lambda naught, option D, root 2 lambda naught. इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है speed of a transverse wave in a stretched string. Transverse wave in a stretched string. तो अगर एक स्ट्रिंग स्ट्रेच्ड है और उस स्ट्रिंग में एक ट्रांसवर्स वेव मूव हो रहा है, सो इफ़ द टेंशन इन द स्ट्रिंग इज गिवन बाय टी एंड वो स्ट्रिंग का मास पर यूनिट लेंथ म्यू है, then we can write the velocity as square root of t by mu, where mu is mass per unit length of the string और t है tension. So we can write the tension force T as mass per unit length into length, the length जहाँ से हम टेंशन को माप रहे हैं, तो that length into acceleration due to gravity. So this becomes T by mu, where m by L is the mass per unit length, is equal to x into g. पर हम जानते हैं कि T by mu is nothing but v squared. So v squared is x g, or else we can write the velocity as x into g. तो अभी इस x को हम जो लेंथ का वैल्यू हमें चाहिए उसको लगा के we can always calculate the velocity of the transverse wave. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले जो डेटा क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं उसको हम नोट डाउन करेंगे. गिवन length of the rope is equal to L, wavelength at the middle is given by lambda naught. अब क्योंकि the frequency of the transverse wave does not change, so we can write v1 lambda 1 is equal to v2 lambda 2. तो we have to find out what lambda 2 is. तो हम लिख सकते हैं lambda 2 is equal to v2 by v1 into lambda 1. So we can write v2 as g into L under square root. तो v1 हुआ root g L by 2 into lambda 1 is lambda naught. So therefore lambda 2 is essentially given by GL divided by GL into 2 lambda naught. GL cancel होता है, therefore the wavelength is root 2 lambda naught. तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शन को मार्क करेंगे. The wavelength of the wave as it reaches the topmost point is, the correct answer to this question is option D, root 2 lambda naught. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.